cat people, how are you today? Welcome to the Catlady Christmas calendar. I am Catlady Antigoni and today I'm telling you the 10 favorite makeup products that I had in 2022. Well, the concept of this video is pretty much simple. Here I have a basket. In this basket I have put in all the makeup products that I have chosen to be my favorite from 2022. Careful here, they are not the favorite product of the month. I'm gonna do a separate video talking about them, or probably I already have done this. Basically, I'm pre-filming a little bit, so I don't know when I'm gonna release everything. I know what I'm gonna do as a concept, but I'm not sure about the dates yet. Anyway, these are irrelevant with the favorite product of the month. And actually, something else that I would like to mention here is that whatever I'm gonna mention today is not in order. Basically, there are the top 10 products that I chose from the whole 2022 year. I'm sorry, I'm so excited for this video. So, it's all the products that I have chosen from 2022. They are favorites, they're working perfectly on me, and I'm very ready to present them to you. But, are you ready to start? Product number 1, and here we have from Essence the Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. 24 hour, don't do this, please. Long-lasting hydration, please don't leave it on your skin for 24 hours, okay? Can we make a promise here? Never leave your foundation for 24 hours on your skin. Whatever it promises, we don't have to test it, we just believe it, it's fine, it's a very good foundation. Actually, it is pretty long-lasting, not lost landing. Oh my god, what's happening with me today? Anyway, it has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Personally, I do not find it that hydrating because if you know me, you know that I have a quite oily skin. So of course, if something is hydrating, I know that maybe it's not a good choice for me because then I'm gonna become even more oily and no one wants that. Believe me, no one wants that. So I feel that it's doing quite the opposite. It's not drying my skin, but it helps my skin a lot to remain not oily, but healthy, with a healthy glow, which is not oil. I don't know how to explain this better, but actually this product is working perfectly for me. I'm planning to buy it again, definitely. Right now, I'm working on finishing 2 other foundations because if you don't know this about me, I don't like making waste. I hate making waste. So even if I don't like some products or some products are not for me, my skin tone, my color, everything, I try to finish them up. So right now I'm using a combination of foundations because I'm trying to use them to go back to this because this is actually an amazing product. And if you have the same issue with me, give it a try, it's perfect. But please don't keep it for 24 hours, please. At number 2, I'm gonna tell you about a contouring slash bronzer. Basically, I'm talking about Aden Cosmetics and Witch Please. This is the perfect bronzer for me because if you see it, let's see how I will open it without create a mess here. Okay, I think you can see it, right? It's actually grey toned, and for me, which I'm having extremely cool undertone skin, okay, this is working perfectly for me because most of the bronzers or the contourings are quite orange on me. I don't know how is it a thing. I think it has to do with my undertone, but whatever I'm trying, I turn out to be orange. Kinda, and I really hate it. So when I saw this product, which promises to be grey and like grave dust and everything, I'm like, yeah, this is the product for me. So I ordered it from Aden Cosmetics. Aden Cosmetics is a UK-based indie brand. If you don't know this brand, you need to know about it. Well, first of all, they have witchy vibes. I love their aesthetics. They are so dark, so mystical. They are perfect. Whatever they are doing when it comes to aesthetics is just amazing. A masterpiece, a piece of art. I mean, look at this packaging. You have the pentagram here, you have 2 moons, and the big moon, like the full moon. I mean, I love this brand. Like, whatever I have tried is perfect. Now when it comes to this bronzer, it basically do everything that it promises. Also, it's quite long lasting, it's very easy to blend it, so for me this is my favorite bronzer from 2022. At number 3, I'm gonna tell you about the mascara, and specifically I'm talking about e.l.f. and the Big Mood Mascara. If you have watched the series from the favorite product of the month, actually I'm mentioning another mascara, but there are some reasons that, let's say that it's not a favorite anymore. I'm not gonna spoil anything more. If you wanna know more about it, just go and watch this video. This video is about my favorite products, not about some fallen angels that I have in my collection. So when it comes to this mascara right here, it is amazing. It gives amazing volume to my lashes. I think because of this wand, it's kinda unique. It has this hourglass shape, and I think this helps a lot. It's super black, and if you apply like 2 layers from this mascara, you have perfect lashes. If you're not into super dramatic makeup looks like I am, and I pretty much every time that I'm doing makeup I'm applying false lashes no matter what. Anyway, if you're not like me and you're okay with just some mascara, I think that this is a great mascara. You just need 2 layers and you're perfect. You have almost false lash effect, and when it comes like to trying, it doesn't create small annoying pieces that they will fall onto your base, onto your foundation, and they will destroy the rest of your makeup. No, it doesn't do that, and that's why I love it so much. Number 4, and here we have a Swedish indie brand which is called Gloss Gods. Now from Gloss Gods I have 2 products in today's list, but I'm not gonna do any spoiler right here, so let's focus on the pigments that I'm about to show you. Basically, here we have some multichrome pastel pigments. Do I need to say anything more? Do I need to explain why I love them so much? I don't think so. Like, if you know me, you probably know already. Basically, I brought the Rainbow Bridge, which is a pink to green to yellow. Very beautiful. And the other one that I have brought here, like I have more, but they are on my desk, which is at the other side of the room. Anyway, the other one that I have brought here, it is called Cloud Chaser, and it's a very beautiful pastel blue, like baby blue to baby pink. I mean, I'm in love. They can complete every makeup look that I'm making, not only as pigments or, you know, highlights at the inner corner, but as actual highlighters on my face, because I'm this type of person that I'm very happy to wear a multichrome highlighter, you know, baby blue to baby pink. It's perfect for me. I don't know if these products are for everyday makeup or if they are for everyone, but to me, I find that they make a difference to my makeup looks, and that's why I included them to this list, because I find myself using them quite often, not at every makeup look that I'm doing, because I have darker moments as well, if I can say that, but when I'm doing a more, you know, playful, childish, girly makeup, I always try to apply some pigments like these, and they come in loose form, which I find very nice. And in general the packaging is very nice, because usually, although that I love having my pigments in loose form, I usually get anxiety because of the packaging, but with this packaging I feel okay, because they have the lid and then they have an extra lid here, so you have to be extremely clumsy to spill them on the desk or wherever you're working. So to me, they bring me safety and they calm me down by a lot. And also another positive is actually their price. I think I paid, what, 12 euros per each, and I get quite a lot. I don't see the grams here on the packaging, but I know that it's a lot. It's more than if you buy like a pressed pigment or if you buy a palette with just one multichrome or something like that. So to me, the price is amazing. Another positive about Gloss Gods is that I finally found a European-based brand that I can buy my multichromes and my special eyeshadows. So easy access is another big positive about the whole situation. Are we already at number 5? Oh my god, time flies here. Anyway, I'm about to talk to you about my favorite concealer that I have these days at least. Okay, and basically I'm talking about NYX Professional Makeup and Bear With Me Serum Concealer. Very lightweight concealer. It doesn't actually create wrinkles under my eyes, which I really appreciate it, because with thicker concealers I have this problem. They're creasing a lot, and after some hours or some minutes, I would say in some cases, I have very bad under eyes. Basically, this concealer is giving me what I need. Very bright under eyes and no creases at all. How can I not love this? Also, a plus here, I feel that it moisturizes my under the eye area, so when I remove it, I have like a very nice sensation. I feel that it's kind of fresh down here. I don't feel like I was wearing makeup for hours, so to me, yeah, it's a big thumbs up. And let's move on to number 6. At number 6, I have a liquid eyeshadow, and I'm talking about Interstellar from LH Cosmetics. And actually, this is also multichrome. I can see definitely the silver, then in this light I can see the pink, and if I turn my hand, I think you can see the blue as well. I mean, I love it so much. I use it as a topper, and many times I have used it as a highlighter, and it's great. If you're a little bit more extra in your makeup looks, you're gonna love this product. Actually, I have used it on my lips as well, and it's giving a prismatic 3D effect. It's so beautiful, and I love how many uses you can do of this product. In general, I love when products are multifunctional. In this case, you can use it as a highlighter, as an eyeshadow topper, as an eyeshadow itself, as a lip topper, you name it. I mean, you set the limits, because the possibilities with products like this one are endless. And in general, LH Cosmetics are offering a lot of multifunctional products, and I have a lot in my collection, and the quality is sky high. So I truly want this in my collection, and it's about to finish, to be honest, so I'm definitely planning to buy this again and again and again. Number 7, and I'm ready to tell you about the primer, specifically from Essence, the Fix and Last Makeup Gripping Jelly Primer. This is supposed to be a dupe, or not a dupe, because I don't really like the whole definition of dupes. If you have seen my video, you know why. If not, I will try to remember to put a card up there or put at the description. And if I still don't do this, please write a comment down below to remind me, like, I want to see this dupe video, where can I find it? Anyway, I don't like the whole idea of dupes, but it's supposed to do the same thing with the Milk Hydro Grip primer, and I haven't tried the one from Milk, but let me tell you about this. This is amazing. This is the good stuff, actually. So I apply it to my very oily skin, and again, like the foundation that I was telling you before, it kind of mattifies my skin without making it look dry or patchy or ugly in any sense, okay? And I feel that it helps a lot, the foundation and in general the base that I have on my face, to last longer and be more flawless. Specifically, if I combine it with the foundation from Essence, I think that this is the hack. This is the hack for my skin, and it's the perfect combo. The combo that makes me look like flawless, and I love it. At number 8, we have again a Swedish brand, and I'm talking about Isadora and their lip gloss. Basically, this specific one is in the shade 81 Diamond Crush, and it's super beautiful. It's a clear gloss with micro shimmer in many iridescent colors. Like, if I hold it in this angle, I can see the pink. If I do this, I can see purple. In general, it's so beautiful. I love that it's actually clear. I love that it contains micro glitter, but you cannot kind of feel bad with the glitter. Like, you don't feel them on your lips. You don't have this unpleasant sensation, and to me this is perfection, because in whatever base that I have, I can just apply it on my lips and I can create a miracle that is activated with light, and with different angles I get different effects on my lips, and it's basically like I'm wearing different lipstick for different angles of lighting. I mean, isn't this perfect? And a little plus here, it actually helped my lips to remain hydrating, and even if I'm wearing only lip pencil, which in general normally it dries my lips quite a lot, with this product my lips are fine. At number 8, I'm gonna tell you about a blush. So basically I have from Glossier the series Cloud Paint, and this specific one is in the shade Puff. What can I tell you about this blush? I think the fact that I took it from my empties box says a lot, right? I mean, I just finished it and I'm super happy with this blush. The pigmentation is at the correct point. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's what I need. It's super blendable and you don't feel it sticky, although that it is a liquid blush, or it was a liquid blush because this is empty, we don't have anything more. So it was a liquid blush, but you don't feel, for example, your hair to stick on your face. So it started as a liquid and then it was becoming kind of like matte without being dry, without being ugly on the face. It was super blendable, and all in all, it is an amazing product. Am I gonna buy it again? I don't know. Not because I don't like it anymore, but I have a million other blushes and I think I already have this shade, so I think that I will continue my life without it for a while, but in general in the future I'm planning to buy it again. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. Basically I was talking about the blush from the series Cloud Paint, and that's why I decided to tell you the Greek word for cloud. So in Greek we say synepho. Say with me, synepho, synepho. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word synepho, or tell me the word in your own native language. Did you expect to watch a video from me, from this channel, where I will not mention a single palette? Well, I don't think that you thought about it, right? Right? Well, at number 10, I'm gonna talk to you about a palette. Do you remember the Swedish indie brand that I mentioned before, Gloss Gods? Well, I have their palette Look for Rainbows, and I think I have talked enough about this palette to understand how great it is. I have a tutorial. It was a favorite product of the month, and here it is, because I want to tell you again how awesome is this palette. Basically, it contains 12 eyeshadows, all of them special eyeshadows in the sense like they're doing something. They are metallic, they are duochrome, they are multichrome, they are glittery, they are amazing. It can be a companion palette. For a lot of people, this palette is considered a companion palette, but not to me. I have created a lot of looks by just using this palette. I don't have any issue to use only metallics at my eye looks, so I think that this palette for me is everything. It's so beautiful. It brings this happiness in my life. The color scheme is amazing. I mean, look at all these pinks which are becoming blue. I mean, this calls my name, right? Bonus point for the price, because I think I paid around 30 euros for this palette, and it contains multichromes and duochromes, and it's extremely difficult to find multichromes in such a good price. So I think that this deal worth the money, definitely. I don't know if it is still available. Now that I'm filming the video, it is discontinued, or at least Gloss Code said that it's out of stock, but they will bring it back and then it will become discontinued, something like that. So if you're interested, just check at their webpage, and if you want to grab it, because I don't think that they will have this palette forever. And that was it. This was our video for today. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate you a lot. If you feel that you want to hang out with me a little bit more, don't forget to check the other videos. Also, we are doing the Catlady calendar, and this means that we are uploading every day. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere. My username is Catlady Antigoni, and I will be very happy to see you there. I will be very happy if you tell me your favorite products from 2022, and see you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye!